Hello, you are welcome to solve this nice algebra math question. What is the value of x and y? If the question is 5 to the power of x plus y minus 2 is equal to 10 and 5 to the power of x minus y plus 3 is equal to 50. So what is the value of x and y? Suppose that this one is equation number 1 and this one is equation number 2. Now we can multiply equation 1 and 2. So I can write here multiplying equation 1 and 2. Now the equation number 1 is 5 to the power of x plus y minus 2 multiply by 5 to the power of x minus y plus 3 bracket 1 is equal to 10 times 50. Okay, now in the next step it can we use one rule, which is p to the power of m time p to the power of n is equal to p to the power of m plus n. We can apply this rule on this above step. So it become 5 to the power of x plus y minus 2 plus x minus y plus 3 is equal to 10 times 50 equals to 500. Now this positive y can cancel with negative y and 5 to the power of x plus x equals 2x plus this negative 2 plus 3 equals 1 is equal to 500. Now in the next step I can write it as 5 to the power of 2x time 5 is equal to 500. I means that I divide both side by 5. Okay, so here 5 and here 5. This 5 can be cancelled with this 5 and 5 ones are 5, 5 hundreds are 5 hundreds are 500. Say okay. So it can become 5 to the power of 2x is equal to 100. Now this is an exponential form and we can apply log on both sides. So log 5 to the power of 2x is equal to log 100. Now dear student, in the next step we apply one rule, which is log p to the power of c is equal to c log p. Okay, we can apply this rule on here. So it become 2x into log 5 is equal to log 100. I divide both side by 2 log 5. I divide here is 2 log 5. This 2 log 5 can cancel with this and here the value of x is equal to log 100 divided by 2 log 5. Now we can write the above step as x is equal to log 100 can be written as log 10 to the power of 2 divided by 2 log 5. Now I am going to the next page. Now in the next step we can write it as x is equal to, this 2 can come before, 2 into log 10 divided 2 log 5. These 2 can cancel with this, and here the value of x is equal to log 10 divided by log 5. Now we can write it as x is equal to log 5 times 2 divided by log 5. Now here, according to the formula, which is log AB is equal to log A plus log B, we can apply this formula here. So it can become x is equal to log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. Now I write separately on each term log 5 divided by log 5 plus log 2 divided by log 5. This log 5 can cancel with this one, and here the value of x is equal to log 2 divided by log 5. Now according to one formula, which is log p divided by log m is equal to log m to the power of p, we can write it as, okay. So now we apply this formula on here. So x is equal to log 2, excuse me, here is 1, this one can become 1 plus, okay. So x is equal to 1 plus log 2 base 5. This is the final answer of this math question. If you enjoy my video, then subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching. Stay blessed.